Hello, in this video I want to shoot the so-called Frankenstein Glock. I got a hint when I posted a video about my Glock 36 that it is possible to mount the grip of a Glock 30 or a Glock 29, and this grip will hold the double stack magazine. On the 36 it is a perfect concealed carry gun in caliber 45 auto, but it just has a single stack magazine which holds only 6 rounds, and it is also not possible to use the double stack magazine from your Glock 21 or the double stack magazine from your Glock 30. So what we do to get the Frankenstein Glock is we take off the slide of the Glock 36 and we put on a slide of a Glock 30 or of a Glock 21 which holds double stack magazines. This one is a short frame and it will fit very well. The gun gets of course a bit broader on the grip, but you have the advantage of the slimmer slide, and the slide is also lighter than the slide of Glock 30. And now the double stack magazine of the Glock 30, which holds 10 rounds, will fit. I've tried this before and it was not possible for me it was possible to put 10 rounds in the magazine, but it was not possible to put the magazine with the 10 rounds in the pistol. So when I go to the range I will shoot just with 9 rounds in this magazine, and I've also tested it with the 13 rounds magazine of the Glock 21, and with that magazine I was able to put in the full-filled magazine with 13 rounds in this pistol. So now let's go out to the range and see what happens. So now let's try the function of the Frankenstein Glock, the Glock 36, with the grip of the Glock 30 short frame. I only managed to get 9 rounds in the double stack magazine. When I put in the round number 10, I couldn't give it in the pistol. So now let's find out if it shoots. Now with the 13 round magazine of the Glock 21. So it works perfectly. The slide of the Glock 36 with the grip of a Glock 30, or you could also use the grip of a 29. plus magazines of the Glock 30 or the Glock 21. Here the target with my Frankenstein Glock 36. So I made this video because I got a hint on my channel and I couldn't find a video where somebody's shooting the Frankenstein Glock, so I had to try it myself, and you could see in the video it works perfectly. So if you want to have a small 45 which is a bit lighter and you want the high capacity magazines with 10 rounds, then go with a 36 with the grip of a 30 or 29. If you liked the video, please rate it or leave a comment. If you don't like it, please leave a comment why you don't like it, because so I get the chance to make the next video a bit better. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye bye.